My whole high school career, everything I thought of was college. I had the success of getting admitted into Berkeley and being one of the valedictorians of my class. In one scholarship interview, I was asked, "What challenges have you faced?" And my biggest challenge was growing up queer. One of them looked at me and stated, "Well, the real issue is you being gay, not what happened to you." The way Central Valley Scholars started was because I felt rejected from my community and in higher education, not only being Latinx, first generation, but also queer. And so I wanted to create funding and resources to directly help our communities and our individual identities. The Central Valley resides in actually the least educated congressional district in the nation. We're in communities where receiving a higher education is the exception rather than an expectation. Central Valley Scholars is really an organization that aims to redefine what can achieving higher education look like. Central Valley Scholars has workshops, mentorship programs, scholarships, research opportunities, and paid job opportunities for Central Valley students. Our college prep workshops show students not only how to apply to these schools, but give them the resources that's going to get them there and get them through those schools financially as well. We never expect a student to come to us and have the identities of first gen, low income, undocumented, queer, and also be 4.0 with a full ride at Berkeley. Instead, we invest in students' futures to get to that 4.0 and get to that prestigious university that they're aiming to attend. I always saw a higher education as an escape from the harsh realities at home. You know, from being 13 years old and having to face an exorcism to in the end of my senior year when my senior quote was almost denied for talking about my queer identity. I remember walking down Sproul. I remember seeing a queer flag. I thought, this is a school I'd want to go to, where people are able to express themselves. That total opposite from what I was feeling at home. I received the Cal Alumni Pride Award. Receiving that scholarship was really a recognition of my work and validation for what I'm doing. We've given out 3 scholarships thus far, and now granting 3 more for this year. Through reading Pedro's application, he shared a lot of trauma. We created the Inspire Award based on his application. You are the winner of this year's Inspire Award, Pedro. Congratulations.
It's crazy. I'm telling you, I used to tell my mom this just doesn't happen to kids like me. My hands were shaking. Like, coming to this program, I really thought, man, maybe there is some hope.
Even just being a student at Berkeley became a privilege that not just my experiences, but the name helped me in achieving different jobs and achieving Central Valley Scholars. To be able to see people from their communities not only being admitted, but thriving at these universities gives all the hope. I'm Michael Pina, and I'm lighting the way to an accessible higher education.